So, there's this question. Kung tayo ay spirits here in this physical world, experiencing a human life, and we are meant to create heaven on earth, then why did we allow the low vibrational traits in this realm in the first place? Right? So, we have to remember that we were given free will, the freedom to choose for us to be able to bring out our creativity. So kung pare-pareho lang na light yan, how are we going to practice our free will, right? So, inallow talaga yung contrast or polarity or opposites so that pagka may present sa atin na magkaiba, mailalabas natin yung kagalingan natin sa pag-discern, right? Kung ano yung mas bagay, mas maganda para sa kine-create natin. So, the opposites are there to just present contrast. Mas magibabaw, ano yung mas maganda. Right? Like, this one, this white clay, kung white din ang nasa backdrop niya, hindi mo siya halos makita. Hindi ma-illuminate yung ganda niya. Right? But if you put it against a black background, mas maiintindihan mo, mas makikita mo, mas ma-appreciate mo yung pagka-white niya. Right? Pareho rin sa black against black, black against white. Right? So, in having contrast, mas madali nating maiintindihan. Ay, mas maganda pala itong material na to for what I am creating. This is more appropriate for what I am creating. Diba na, ba't pa nagkaroon ng choices kung pare-pareho lang? And imagine how boring this human experience would be kung lahat binigay na sa atin. Hindi na tayo binigyan ng pagkakataon to, analyze, to discern, to appreciate yung mga different options natin, makita natin talaga if we are growing, if we are maturing, if we are learning from this physical experience, right? And in the process of creating this human life, makikilala din natin dapat ang sarili natin. We are light beings, hindi tayo likas na masasama. Kaya lang ang nangyari is, inaccept natin na merong dark, merong light, and then there are people na porke na stuck sila sa isang dark na situation sa buhay nila, pinangatawanan na dark sila. When supposedly, pag meron tayong na-experience na dark event sa buhay natin, it's just an experience. Next time, we know better na mas nagre-resonate tayo sa white as light beings. Halimbawa, there was a time na nakapag-cheat tayo, okay? Yung one time na yun na nakapag-cheat tayo, hindi kailangang pangatawanan natin buong buhay that we are a cheater. We forgive ourselves, we learn from that experience, and then we go back to our true being, which is a light being. Okay ba na paghaluin ang black and white? That's what's happening to most of us now. Hindi tayo makausad kasi naghihilahan ang black and white sa isang physical form na to. Kumbaga, yung good and dark energies naghihilahan sa isang physical. Meron tayong innate good traits, but this world keeps on forcing the bad traits on us. Naghihilahan yung good and evil. Kaya sinabi, di ba, na parang battle between good and evil itong realm na to. Which is, yes, somehow true dahil hindi tayo masyadong makausad. Meron tayong mabuting kalooban pero dahil sa pamamaraan ng mundong to, nahihila tayo sa hindi masyadong maganda. So, anong effect na naghahalo ang good and bad sa ating energy? Na ang light and dark traits ay magkasama sa our energy. Kasi, di ba, it's not anymore pure white, it's not anymore pure black. Okay? And pagka hindi pure, hindi solid, alam natin lahat yan, it's weak or hindi strong yung quality niya, right? Kasi hindi puro. Now, anong effect nun sa human experience natin? Mabagal, may hirap. Naka one step forward tayo, biglang magiging 2-3 steps backwards ulit. Parang hirap na hirap tayong makarating dun sa dulo na kine-create nating heavenly earth stay. Kasi nga, naghihilahan ang good and dark traits sa energy natin. Kaya sinabi, di ba, na there's a battle in the mind kasi naghihilahan yung good and evil kung ano ang magiging action or behavior ng physical natin. If you will notice, meron talagang tao na they use their free will at pinipili na yung extremes, nagpapapolarize sila on the dark side. And makikita nyo naman, di ba, kung ano ang nagagawa ng pure darkness. Talagang napaka grabe na mga crimes ang nagagawa ng pure darkness. But, syempre, hindi naman patatalo ang nasa light side. Yung mga pure light, patuloy pa rin sa pag-guide sa iba, sa pag-awaken, pag-alala, kung ano tayong lahat, that we come from a good source. And when we are in alignment with our good source, kaguluhan sa paligid natin, hindi tayo halos apektado. We are able to proceed with our human experience with profound joy and peace. And makikita nyo na lang talaga na pagka the higher realm is behind you, they're working behind the scenes to give to you kung ano yung mga nasa heart nyo, what you want to manifest, basta in alignment with our source, madali nyo na lang makukuha. Parang, inisip nyo lang kanina, maya-maya, andyan na. Diba? Parang, mapapaisip kayo, totoo ba to? Pero, you have to see it for yourself. Kaya meron tayong sinasabi na healing and raising our energy so that mahiwalay ulit yung dark traits sa good traits ng energy natin. Mangibabaw o mag-surface uli yung good traits natin kasi being in our natural frequency, that means we are one with our source. We are one with the whole heavenly realm. So yung ating human experience, hindi tayo na lang ang kumikilos to create heaven here on earth, kundi they are all behind us. They are making it possible for us na for everybody else to see that there is such a thing. It is very much possible to have pleasant and abundant human experience in this physical realm. Okay? So, yun lang talaga. For contrast lang talaga ang black and white. They are not meant to be embodied in the same flesh. They are not meant to exist together in one human form, and because that will make the human experience very difficult. We have to choose saan ba tayo, sa black or sa white. And we have to remember, mas lalong mahirap if we choose to be polarized on the dark side at sobra namang ginhawa when we choose to be polarized towards light, because that means we are in alignment with the whole heavenly realm. Okay? So, again, I send you love, light, peace.